So you may have noticed that I've not yet put my lipstick on, and this is for a reason. I want to show you these first. So these are the lip balm, which is an award-winning lip balm, along with 3 tinted lip balms, and they have active ingredients of coconut and of shea butter, which are incredibly hydrating and nourishing, which feel amazing on your lips. And they also have peppermint essential oil in there, which not only smells and tastes lovely, but also feels really lovely and zingy on your lips too. And what's so great about these is you can apply them without even having a mirror. Excellent, it's what we all want. So my favourite, I'll show you, is the most vibrant one of all, which is Cosmic, but they also come in rose and a more pink tone, which is Mulberry too. So I'm going to do this, I'm going to prove to you that I can put this on without any mirror at all, and it really just literally instantly livens up your skin and gets you ready for anyone you might be meeting at any given time. So it's a good emergency makeup product. So here we go, I'm not even going to put it on with a mirror, I'm going to look the other way. Here we go. There you go. So it's really easy. You don't have to worry about getting it in the lines or anything like that, because it's just so subtle. It's nothing over the top. It's not too intense, but it's just enough to give you a real pop of colour on your skin.